और इंडियन फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी का धमाकेदार जश्न। और जानते हैं ये सब इतना शानदार क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, किसकी वजह से हो पाया? 3 लड़के थे, दीवाने से, फिल्मों पे वो मरते थे। ग्लोबल अवार्ड शो बनाने के लिए दिन रात मेहनत करते थे। आईफा का जुनून लिए बड़े बड़े इरादे रखते थे। हर साल नए शहर जाकर शो को और बड़ा बनाने की कोशिश किया करते थे। इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर देश को ले जाना था उन्हें। तभी ट्रेवोल्टा, एंजेलिना जोली, जैकी चैन जैसे चेहरों को कन्विंस किया करते थे। बहुत कुछ करना था इन्हें और किसी से भी नहीं डरते थे। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जब भी मिलते थे एक ही सवाल का जवाब दिया करते थे, अगले साल का आईफा कहां हो रहा है? अगले साल का आईफा कहां हो रहा है? आईफा की शानदार शामों की मस्तियां, वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर इंडियन सिनेमा को ले जाना, एयरपोर्ट्स पर फैंस का उमड़ना, हमें गले लगाना, दुनिया के बड़े से बड़े स्टेडियम्स को खचाखच भर जाना और सारे सुपरस्टार्स का यहां पर आकर इतिहास रचाना। नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। Ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate my dear friends on 25 stunning years of IFA and wish them all the best for the future IFA. I would like to call the 3 co-founders of IFA on stage. I request you all to give them the biggest round of applause that you've reserved for everyone here on stage tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Andre Timmins, Viraf Sarkari and Sabbas Joseph. On stage, please.
Thank you, Shahrukh. This is a total surprise for us.
For 25 years of excellence. और मुझको ये बोला गया कि जब मैं यहाँ पर आ रहा था कि तुम लोगों से मुझे वो करवाना है जो पिछले 25 सालों से ये हमसे करवा रहे हैं।
Are you going to take us around the world?
भाई इतने पैसे होते तो यहाँ पर काम थोड़ा ना कर रहा होता मैं।
Are you going to pay us to dance?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आंद्रे, I will pay you not to dance. यहाँ पे हमारी इज्जत है जयपुर में, राजस्थान में। तुम तीनों डांस करोगे तो अच्छा थोड़ा ना लगेगा।
Are you going to treat us like your own?
Actually, let me tell you about these 3 amazing people. ये कह रहे हैं कि can I treat them like their own? जितना ये हमको प्यार दिखाते हैं और जितनी ओनरशिप इन्होंने हमारे साथ की है 25 सालों से, I don't think I can do that for you. So I'm sorry, I won't be able to do that for you because
So
you guys
sweet.
are the loveliest and the sweetest
Thank you, Shahrukh.
of everyone that we have worked with. Ladies and gentlemen, the 3 wonderful musketeers of IFA on 2025. तो मैं आपसे ना नाच करवाऊंगा, ना आपको बाहर ले जाऊंगा, ना आपको उतना प्यार दे सकूंगा जितना आपने दिया है। मैं सिर्फ आपको, जैसे हमको आप ट्रॉफीज देते हो, आपको आईफा की ट्रॉफी दूंगा। 25 साल बाद पहली बार आप लोगों को मिल रही है। इन्होंने अपने लिए स्पेशल बनाई है डायमंड्स वाली। हमें वो देते रहते हो छोटी सी। Congratulations, Andre, Viraf, and Sabbas. Thank you so much for everything. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for the 3 of them.
Thank you. I think for me, first of all, when we started this journey in 2000, and we always wanted to do something for the cinema industry, and we always wanted to build something like this, a moment across the world to make our industry proud. The kind of support the industry has given us. Because of them, IFA is across the world, and what do I say? I just feel, the gratitude. The entire industry comes forward to support us. So first of all, thank you so much. And I also want to thank all the countries across the world, from New York, Tampa, Madrid, Amsterdam. We've gone to countries where our cinemas not even reached. Macau, Singapore, Malaysia, Abu Dhabi, we were in 3 years. So I want to thank the countries that supported us and gave our industry all the respect that we needed. And we want to do this year on year to make our industry proud. 3 cheers for our film industry.
When we began IFA in 2000, it was only an idea. You've made it a movement. Thanks to everyone of our film industry, especially the media, and every member of the audience who's owned IFA, because IFA belongs to each one of you. So thank you for all that you do for us to make IFA fly. When we go across the world, we've believed that we represent India, planting a flag for India in each part of the world. And today, bringing it home to Rajasthan and Jaipur has given us our greatest joy. Thank you, Rajasthan. Thank you, Government of Rajasthan. Thank you, India. You've been the best. I'd just like to thank our families who have literally withstood the test of time and stood by all of us to be able to give us strength to be here. Our respective Poonam, Sona, Gitika, and all our children, you've really been our strength. Thank you.
Like Shahrukh said some time back, that everyone has this question about where is the next IFA going to be. And similarly, we are always thrown the question at the end of each IFA, अब इस साल इतना ये कर दिया तो अगले साल क्या करोगे इससे अच्छा? So I would like to thank our entire crew, the team of people who actually help us think out this entire production, this entire creative and the execution of this project. And let me tell you, it is not just the show on stage, but the entire logistics that go behind it, from flights to hotels to cars to security to dealing with the government and everything. And there's a whole team of more than 250 to 300 people working around the clock. So I'd like to thank them. And I'd like to thank our families definitely for, because every time that we go abroad and spend so much time to make it happen, they are without us. So thank you, our families, for being patient with us and bearing with us all these years. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for the 3 wizards, for Andre, for Virab, for Sabas.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Shahrukh, for doing this. Thank you.